Hi everybody, got a quick video today. Had some decent hauls this weekend. Majority of this came from one store. Let's see, start off with the large ticket. Here we go. Ended up getting 120 boxes of buckshot for $1 a box. It's the Federal. I got 110 boxes of double aught buck, which are in these cases here. And then end up getting 10 of the number 4 buck. Let's see what else we got. Got some Federal Premium Guard Dog 45 ACP for $5. Okay, also got a case of the Nitro Magnums, 4-shot. It's a 3-inch Magnum. $5 a box. Used to be $27.44. Let's see here. What else was at this store? Federal Deer Thugs. Got 1 box of 270. $5. The other 10 are 30-06. Also $5. Let's see. Ended up getting at this store 2 boxes of the Suprema, which is Tula buckshot. Double aught buck. They were $9.97. Let's see. Was there anything else at this store? And that was all for the one haul. And 1 box of 7.62 by 39 Tula ammo. Another store. Some more of the Suprema buckshot. One of the boxes got moist, so it's everywhere in there. Let's see. Another store. 3 boxes of the Winchester Super X and the 1400 35 feet per second. Can't seem to find the receipt. Another store. 2 boxes of Stingers. I love CCI. $6.47 a box. Another store. Got 3 boxes of the standard velocity CCIs. And 333 white box. The white box is going for 13, and the CCI standard is 347. So wasn't a too awful bad weekend. Pretty decent supply there. Oh, and that's one last store. They had 2 boxes of the 223 Perfecta. $14.94. So this one store though, this was definitely the haul to get. Lady said she had a lot of clearance ammo in the back, and I told her a blanket statement, everything she brought to the front, I would purchase. I think she believed I was joking. So I offered her $1 a box on the buckshot and $5 on all of the rifle ammo. She took it. So happy hunting, everybody.